What up, y'all? This is Tracy from Nerd Squish, and today we're going to talk about our second house announcement of the year, Sinners at Halloween Horror Nights 35. In April of 2025, Sinners, directed by Ryan Coogler, was released in theaters, and it was my entire personality for like a hot minute. It consumed my every thought. This musically influenced vampire movie set in the Mississippi Delta in the 1930s is perfection, and you cannot convince me otherwise. I listened to the soundtrack obsessively, 4 months, and I think it's time to cue it up again because Sinners is officially coming to Halloween Horror Nights.
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening!
It was announced using a very bare-bones trailer, CGI carnival tent, a card game being shuffled, with a voiceover that sounds like it could be Dr. Oddfellow. And it's very reminiscent of 2007's Carnival of Carnage commercial, although saying that out loud and thinking about that comparison, it kind of makes this already very cheap commercial feel even cheaper. Following the story of the movie, the house is described as follows. In 1930s Mississippi, libations flow freely and guitar screams fill the air at the Smokestack Twins juke joint. But the blues become red when Remick's troupe of bloodthirsty vampires crash the party and test blood's true bonds. Ramon Peredoa is the show director and writer for this house, and if you went to Halloween Horror Nights last year, you've seen his work before as he worked on El Artista, Terrifier, and Wyatt 6. He said on X, "This experience celebrates the profound power of culture and music while immersing you in a terrifying vampire onslaught unlike any other." This dude knows how to create a house that's not only beautiful, but it's also engaging and fully immersive, so I cannot wait to see what he does with this IP. Since the movie is perfection from beginning to end, there's a lot of amazing scenes, but there are two in particular that I'm dying to see. The musical time travel scene in the juke joint where Sammy summons the spirits of performers of past and future. Peredoa specifically called out this scene on X, saying, "The film's iconic soundtrack and score are well represented in our experience, as is the all-time great I Lied to You scene where Preacher Boy pierces the veil. Manuel Cordero's design for this moment and the whole experience is stunning. Fans of the film are in for a treat." I'm so excited. The concept of Sinners even being at Halloween Horror Nights, already exciting. This man's hyping me up. He's hyping me up, and it's, you know, he needs to sit down because I'm not gonna be able to sit down. I'm so hyped for this. And of course, the second scene that I am dying to see is Remick opening up that pit and busting out some sick Irish dance moves. This house, specifically that scene, is going to identify as a problem for me because you're gonna have to hold me back. I'm going to join that circle, okay? I'm going to jump in. It's gonna be terrible. I'm not trained in this. I can't do an Irish jig. Am I gonna try? Absolutely I am. I have a feeling this is gonna be a lot like the Weekend House, where I'm just catching a vibe. I'm feeling it and I start dancing and one of the staff just appears from the shadows of the corner of the house and is like, "Ma'am, please keep moving, please." I know there's only 2 house announcements for the year so far, but I'm gonna go out and say that this is the one that I am not only most hyped about, but it's gonna be the best house of the year. I'm calling it now. It's kind of wild that such a new, fresh film is entering into HHN. There's so many franchises that we've all been dying and begging to see Scream, and they just don't come to the event. So it's wild that we have this new thing that everybody just fell in love with, and here it is. We don't even have to beg. It's here, baby. So sound off in the comments and let me know if you're excited to enter the juke joint at Halloween Horror Nights 35. If you're going to the event this year and you want to stay updated on all things HHN, give this video a like, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell so when new videos hit the channel, you'll be notified. And as always, thank y'all for watching, and I'll catch you nerds in the fog!